Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into the world of dropshipping and exploring how Spocket works. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. What if you could start an online store without having to stock any inventory? That's exactly what Spocket makes possible. So what is Spocket and how does it work? In simple terms, Spocket is a platform that connects you to a network of suppliers, allowing you to sell their products without having to buy them up front. This means you don't have to worry about the hassle and expense of storing and shipping products yourself. Here's how it works. Sign up for a Spocket account. Browse through their vast selection of products. Choose the products you want to sell. Add the products to your online store. When a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically notify the supplier, who will then ship the product directly to your customer. That's it. But wait, there's more. Spocket offers a number of features that make it an attractive option for dropshippers. These include a wide variety of products. With over 1 million products to choose from, you're sure to find something that will appeal to your customers. High-quality products. All of Spocket's suppliers are carefully vetted to ensure that you're only selling the best products. Fast shipping. Spocket works with suppliers who are located in the US, Canada, Europe, and Australia, so you can offer your customers fast shipping times. Easy integration. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Affordable pricing. Spocket offers a variety of pricing plans to fit any budget. So who is Spocket for? Spocket is a great option for anyone who wants to start an online store without having to invest a lot of money or time. It's also a good choice for experienced dropshippers who are looking for a new platform to expand their business. Spocket is a powerful tool that can help you build a successful dropshipping business. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to start selling online, I highly recommend giving Spocket a try. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on dropshipping and e-commerce.